Hi, my name is Monty. I want to share an opportunity, a business opportunity with you. It's called paydaysfriday.com. My wife been in business for herself for over, since 2008 to be exact. I used to always wonder, honey, how are you making all of this money? She used to try to explain it to me. And, I didn't want to listen to her because, I was going to work doing 40 hours a week. But she was bringing in so much money, way more than what I was. And, I just didn't want to get into it, but she kept trying to get me into it. But, accident struck. End of November, I was involved in a car accident. And I was kind of worried about how I was going to make ends meet because I've been out of work for a while. So I had no choice. Hey, I became blessed. I stuck my head into the business with her and saw how much money she was making in a short period of time, and only doing it 4 or 5 hours a day and making, you can make up to $1,000 a week. You can make up to $1,000 a month. It's all about how you apply yourself to the business. But it was a great opportunity for me to be at home to help my wife and spend more time with my wife as well. We can go to matinees during the day. We have picnics. We go on walks. I mean, it's been great. All our bills have been great. Just come from a vacation in Florida, from Disney World, Orlando, Florida, that is. I mean, I'm making more money than I was making with her doing a couple of hours and spending more time with her at home than I was before. I mean, it's an extraordinary experience. I mean, who doesn't want that? I mean, paydaysfriday.com. Please check it out. Don't miss this opportunity. It is great. I didn't want to do it, but I'm glad I did. I didn't have a choice in the matter. So, once I got into it, I loved it. Man, it's a total awesome experience for everybody. I wouldn't want nobody to miss this. Everyone who doesn't want to spend time with their family, who doesn't want to make a lot of money, who doesn't want to go on vacations. I didn't want this before, but I wanted that, but I didn't know how I was going to achieve that by putting in so many hours. Now, life is wonderful. I mean, like I said, I get to spend more time with my wife. I wouldn't want anybody to miss this opportunity. It's a great experience. It's an awesome experience. You'll be surprised of how much money you can possibly make and spend at home with your family, which I'm sure they will love and you will love as well. Vacationing, the whole nine, saving money. I mean, we all know it's kind of hard to save money on a 40-hour-a-week job. Come on now. So get out there, take advantage of this opportunity. I mean, it's right here in front of you. I'm giving it to you right here, right now. Do take advantage of it. Apply yourself. Please apply yourself. Paydaysfriday.com. Paydaysfriday.com. Please take advantage of it. I wouldn't want nobody to miss it. Thank you, Monty.